Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna discuss about purchase order, sales order and transfer order. What exactly is purchase order, sales order and transfer order? So let's start. What is purchase order? So a purchase order or PO, mainly you're gonna hear it's as a PO, is official document a buyer sent to a seller. The purchase order binds the buyer to a promise to pay the seller for designated product at a future date. Purchase order form itself specify the types and the quantity of each product, and purchase orders are beneficial to both parties involved. So basically the reason why we use purchase order is to buy something from the seller, and purchase order generate according to the material plan. When the planners planning the material, they if they're running out of some material they have to buy it, and to buy the material then they have to issue purchase order. And in purchase order they mention every detail like which product, how much quantity, for what date, and also the like you can find the details like the invoice, PO number, different detail, vendor information. So that is purchase order. Then what is sales order? A sales order is a document that contains all the information about a sales or other transaction between a customer and a company. The information in the sales order can include customer name, shipping address, transaction date, product order, description, unit of measurement, units, price, taxes, etc. It is created by a company when sales come in from a customer, and it summarizes all data that was received and that is necessary to complete the fulfillment of the order. So sales order is basically company generate or issue when they receive order from their customer or from their client. And sales order have the information what's product they including customer name, shipping address, trans- transaction date, unit of measurement or abbreviation is UOM, and quantity, prices, etc. It's basically it's a kind of, you can say, uh, you're generating in your system a order that gonna specify that you did the sale of that much amount and that much quantity, so that you can include those data in your sales, and you can put it in your you can say statements account, means like in your accounting you can use this information to verify or to do cross check with the planners. So that it's also really important, they all together, purchase and sales, they link together. When purchase you do, you have the stock of 100 units, and when you did the sale of 100 units you have zero stock. Then when you have zero stock, it can be varied company to company. Sometimes they use min max model or something like that. So for example, you have now zero, then again the planners or the inventory analyst, they're gonna generate the purchase order to buy the products again or buy the inventory. Then comes to transfer order. Transfer order is pretty similar to sales and purchase order, but mainly transfer order used by companies when they have different facilities. For example, A company is in Montreal and A company have their another warehouse in Toronto, that is AX in Toronto, and they have another facility in Alberta, Edmonton, that is AXY. So if they're doing any transaction in between all these facilities, for example, they receive the purchase order in in Montreal facilities, and they received there. Now they received already in the company. They have in their system the quantities, all the product they receive. What if they want to send it from Montreal to Toronto or to Alberta? They have to generate, they have to issue transfer order. So transfer order basically change the location in ERP as well, in physical also. Location of the products or location of the inventory. And transfer order is mainly used to do transfer of inventory between intercompany, between inter-warehouse. It means like you transferring goods from one warehouse to another. So that's all. I hope you get an idea what is purchase, sales, and transfer order. If you have any other comments, let me know. Thank you.